Important to distinguish between dollar and euro-denominated CoCos here.
It is, and it's also important for once to say that Santander is doing exactly what they say they always will do. So the reason why they've chosen to call this dollar one is irrelevance in the sense that if it was, they looked at it financially on economic logic that they wanted to keep it, they would have kept it. But the fact is this would cost them an extra 50 basis points probably to keep this bond. That's why they are calling it. So the fact that in dollar markets and euro markets there has been two almost different conventions is semi-irrelevant here in the sense that Santander does what it always does, regardless of the market. It does what suits it best.
Pretty ruthless about the way it's going to...
But it's very clear about that, to be fair to it.
But it did cause some consternation within the euro market by not calling...
It was his communication in the sense that it has always said that it would do that, but it reaffirmed, look, guys, properly and clearly, and not had issued a dollar bond before that, which everyone put two and two together and came up with more than four, shall we say.
Yep.
Then that was perhaps a poor communication on Santander, but this particular dollar one doesn't tell us anything different about the dollar market or indeed out of the euro market. They're not reassuring investors, they're just doing exactly what they always do. However, they have told us 1 week earlier, which is almost going they're going soft on us almost.
Marcus, are we anywhere near a point where Deutsche Bank's stock becomes literally an option on its future? As we come down 10 euros, 8 euros, 7 euros, do you have a level where we click into that derivative belief rather than equity belief?
Well, I think we've been at that stage for quite some while, and as the vol has gone down, so has the price. It does trade more like an option in that sense. Look, I mean, we still know that essentially the establishment in Germany wants to smash it together with Commerzbank. I know, obviously, the unions don't want to, and various other different parts of each bank has reasons why it doesn't make sense to them. However, I think there's an overwhelming need to protect Germany's champion, and I think, therefore, this has got so much momentum behind it that I still think that deal will go through, and therefore the share price is a reflection of that probability.